Hi, I'm Jason Maida. Welcome back to the Maida Mortgage Minute. It's great to be with everyone today. And today I want to talk to you a little bit about the interest rate market as well as both the housing market and really kind of what's happening on both those key areas as it relates to either purchasing a home or maybe even thinking about refinancing a home. So the first thing is on the interest rate side. Yes, we've seen this uptick when it comes to interest rates. And if we look back probably 3-4 months, we saw rates in probably the threes, 3.75. Now today we're at 4.75. The question I get quite a bit is, Jason, why has that happened? Where do you see interest rates going? And of course, I don't know where they're going. We do have some strong indicators that would lead to a higher interest rate environment. Today, however, when we look at it, interest rates have increased. What that's really attributed to is some of the signs that the economy is improving. And when we look at the movement in the stock market's hitting all-time highs, that is impacting negatively the bond market, which generally would actually improve our interest rates, but we haven't really seen that. And that's really because our interest rates are being artificially kept low with the QE3 program. The other thing that's going on with interest rates is there's some talk that the QE3 program, which is keeping interest rates artificially low, will start to taper in September if signs in the economy continue to point towards improvement. So that's kind of what's happening right now when it comes to interest rates. So we encourage our clients to sit down and talk with us and really see what your financial goals look like and see how we can make sure that we put a program together that's going to help meet those goals and certainly educate you on the market. And if now's the right time for you to lock in that interest rate for either refinance or purchase. So that's what's going on the interest rate side. On the housing market side, some great numbers. If you look at the inventory levels, those are starting to pick up. We have 10,500 homes on the market. Median sales price, especially in Sacramento County, has gone up by 28%, and that's a median sales price. If you look in LA County, we've seen some nice numbers come in on the median sales price year-over-year numbers. It's upwards of 30%. So while we were one of the first markets to hit the downward slide, we've also seen a nice little uptick in appreciation. So that's good news for our homeowners. It also does change the complexion for some of our buyers trying to get into this market. What we found for some of our buyers, especially right around below the 300,000 mark, there is some challenge, and you're still facing some competition when it comes to maybe some cash buyers that are out there, which would also include some of the investors that are looking to probably flip that property for a profit. So we know it's still challenging out there for some of our clients below that sales price mark. Above 300,000, we're seeing those clients actually start to come into contract rather quickly. So that's kind of what's going on both from the interest rate and the housing market standpoint. Now, what I would say for all of our clients that are pre-approved and shopping for a home, or for maybe some clients that are thinking about refinancing and just want to kind of find out more information. First of all, for our pre-approved buyers, from 12 to 5 tomorrow here in our office, we're actually going to do some updated consultations with our clients, and we've kind of blocked out that time just to sit down with you and see really what your options look like now that maybe the interest rate market has changed a little bit. Want to make sure that your pre-approval is ready to go so you have all the resources at your disposal to make that qualified offer. And then for our refinance clients that are thinking about maybe refinancing to save money and take advantage of some of the appreciation in the market, reach out to us and give us a call. We'd love to kind of just run a quick analysis for you, see if it might make sense for you. So again, tomorrow from 12 to 5, we're going to sit down with our pre-approved clients and see what we can do to update your pre-approval, make sure you're ready to go to make that offer on that home of your dreams. Okay? Thanks for listening today. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. We would love to answer those questions for you. Have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you soon.